unboxing of Nerf guns. As you see, there's two Nerf guns. One is the Disruptor and one is the AccuStrike. Now, and then these are the 50 bullets that I need. Now, I'm gonna show you how to open this. Okay, now, Papi, dame una tijera. Oh, I'm gonna get some scissors. It's so hard, look. So hard. This is the Disruptor. Good one. This is the AccuStrike. It's right there, but need a little scissors. Now, thank you. So they gave me one. Cut this thing. Yeah, I'm not opening. Well, here's the Nerf gun. It's right on this thing under here. 6 bullets. And let's see. Actually, there's nothing else. Wait, let me see what I got it. Well, I don't see anything. Okay, guys. Here it goes. Oh, I'm gonna open with the scissors. It's easy. Oh, it isn't. There, I opened it. Thank God. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna show you how it's done. One bullet here. One bullet here. One bullet here. One bullet here. And one bullet here. Oh, and the missing bullet. Okay, guys. Now you're gonna see how it's done. That was me. Okay. Now it goes. Now we're going, guys. Now we're going to the AccuStrike. Well, I would just open these bullets first. It's easier. I got like, I don't know, like 30 bullets. I don't know, but oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh, look all the bullets that are here. Look at all the bullets. Don't touch him, Aita. Okay. Well, I just opened all the bullets. Look at all the bullets. Here, here, here. I'm putting all the green side, the orange side, and this is all the blue side. 2, 3. Now, the AccuStrike side. Oh my, this is so hard. I need these scissors. Oh, how hard is this to cut? I'm gonna cut the Nerf gun if I do this. What in the world was that noise? Oh my lord. And the special one. And the special bullet. I don't know why, but oh, it's so hard. How do you do this? My mom unboxed this, so I'm gonna show you how it's done. This is for, this is for doing, put the bullets here, bullets, what I'm doing. You can close it, and you put, let me do it, sorry. You put 5 bullets, and now I'm gonna show you how it's done by me. First step, you do this, bam. See? This. And then you do this. You aim where you're going, and you shoot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna test the Disruptor, the Nerf gun. I brought it in Toys R Us.